Remove all child elements of a DOM node in JavaScript. How would I go about removing all of the child elements of a DOM node in JavaScript? Say I have the following: ugly HTML, and I grab the node I want like so. var my node equals document get element by id foo. How could I remove the children of foo so that just paragraph id equals foo is left? Could I just do my node child nodes equals new array? Or should I be using some combination of remove element? I'd like the answer to be straight up DOM, though extra points if you also provide an answer in jQuery along with the DOM only answer. Option 1A. Clearing via inner HTML. This approach is simple, but might not be suitable for high-performance applications because it invokes the browser's HTML parser, though browsers may optimize for the case where the value is an empty string. The important line here is, my node.inner HTML equals empty string. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.